Now, starting exercise 3.3. First question is, given a parallelogram ABCD, complete the statement along with the definition or property used. Here students, AD, now you have listened me about the properties of parallelogram and all. Here AD is equals to what? It's BC. Secondly, angle DCB, it is equals to angle DAB. Now AD is equals to BC because opposite sides are equal of parallelogram. You have to write here, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Angle DCB is equals to angle DAB because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Thirdly, OC is equals to OA because third property, diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. You have to write here, diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Then fourth point is measure of angle DAB. DAB plus measure of angle CDA. CDA means this angle and this angle. It is equals to 180 degree because adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. You have to write adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. Next is question number 2. Consider the following parallelograms and find the values of x, y, z. Now doing first part for you, A, B, C, D. Angle B is of 100 degree and rest of the angles we have to find. As I have explained you that adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So 100 plus x, supplementary means 180 degrees. So 100 plus x is equals to 180 degree because adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. So from here x is equals to 180 minus 100, it will give 80. Next, we can find the value of y by solving x plus y is equals to 180, giving the same reason that adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary like this, or we can directly write y is equals to 100 degree because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Then third point again, if this is 100, this is 80, this is 100, so these also are opposite angles of parallelogram. These are also opposite angles of parallelogram. So x is equals to z, that is 80 degree because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Next, coming to third part, this is the figure. I have given the name PQRS. In this we have to find the missing x, y, z. It is given that this is 90 degree. If this is 90 degree, then all the angles in the center are of 90 degree. This is 30 degree, it's given. So x is given, it is 90 degree. If this is 90 degree, so x will be 90 degree. These when there is cross marked opposite angles, these are called vertically opposite angles and these are always equal. Now considering the triangle POQ, in this triangle this is 30 degree, this is x which we have find that it is of 90 degree. We have to find the value of y. This is of three of these angles, measures of three angles is equals to 180 because sum of angles of triangle is always 180 degree. So 30 plus 90 plus y is equals to 180 degree. So adding 30 plus 90 gives 120 plus y equals to 180. Taking 120 on the other side of equality, it gives y is equals to 180 minus 120. which gives 60 degree. Then y is equals to z, so it becomes that z is equals to 60 degree. Next, question number 3 and question number 4 of the exercise, there is no need to solve it. Then coming to question number 5. Question number 5 is the measures of two adjacent angles of parallelogram are in the ratio 3:2. Find the measure of each of the angles of parallelogram. Students, adjacent angles means these angles, or we can say these angles. They are given in the ratio 3:2. So what we will do, if this is 3x, this is 2x. We know that adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. This is according to question. According to question, 3x plus 2x is equals to 180 degree. It is given. So adjacent angles of parallelogram are supplementary. We have to write the property, which property we are using. So 3 plus 5x is equals to 180 degree. So from here x is equals to 180 divided by 5, it will give 36. But we have to find the measures of both of these angles. So 2 multiplied by x, that is 2 multiplied by 36, it gives 72 degree. And 3x is equals to 3 multiplied by 36, that is 108 degree. So we have all the measures of the parallelogram, that is angle A is equals to angle C. It will be 72 degree, and angle B is equals to angle D, that is 108 degree. Reason you can write here, and the reason is opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. The question 6 is similar to question number 5. You have to do it yourself. The questions which I have left, they are your homework. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.